Bennett, what was in the tree? Did you see that? It looks like something's inside the tree. No, right here. Bennett, come look over here. I see something. You want to use my flashlight? Come here. Oh, look in the tree. Oh, up higher. Up higher, buddy. Look up higher. Stand up. All right, now look down. Just a little bit. All right, now look straight ahead. Right there. What's this? What is that? What is that, Bennett? What is that? Who is it? Who is it? Is it the elf?
Yes.
Oh, that elf came and he's in the tree?
Yeah.
Well, don't touch him.
Get out.
I can't get him out. He must have come in the tree. Yeah. All right.